guys, it's me Absence Sister. Today I am here with my second uploaded video on YouTube. Today I'll say how to change the background photo easily. First of all, you have to go on Play Store and search simple background changer. Search simple background changer on the search bar. After writing, you have to search it. As you can see on the first option, you have to click on that. I had already installed it, so I will open it for this process. It is very important app for changing a background photo. I will open it. After opening, you have to click on gallery. I will click on gallery. And we have to choose one photo. I had already selected a photo for this process. After selecting a photo, you have to crop it very carefully. This is an important step. You have to crop it very carefully. After cropping, click on done. As you can see on the top of the right side of the screen. Then you have to remove extra unwanted photos. I will make a video 5 times faster. Due to this, it will save your times. You have to erase the unwanted extra photos very carefully. After erasing, you have to choose a suitable background for a photo. Yes, I will save it. I will click on done. It has been saved in gallery. I have chosen one photo. I will show photo going on gallery. As you can see the photo, it is very looking amazing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please drop the like, leave a sweet comment and subscribe my channel to see more videos and to give more confidence to me. Thank you.